Hi there, it's Dana. Today I'm going to be redoing a cabinet I found. Somebody was throwing it away. They're redoing their house, so they let me have it. The top of it is a butcher block, but the bottom part is white. So what I'm going to be doing is repainting this in this beautiful Athenian black Annie Sloan paint. It's chalk paint. Then I'm going to be changing out the drawer handles with some handles I had bought previously for another project. I think I got these at TK Maxx. And I'm going to be putting the shelves in. So I hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see how it turns out at the end. If you like it, please like and subscribe. I'm doing these with some paint tape instead of taking them off, because I think it looks like it's glued here, and I'm afraid it won't go back on correctly. So I'm going to put some tape around that before I paint it. I couldn't find any painter's tape, so I'm going to try and make some covers on here with some plastic baggies and duct tape. See if that works. Get any paint on it. I think this is probably the best way to do it for this. Let's see if I can do handles out here. This is really good paint, so I think it's gonna stand very, very thick. Around these because I want it to come out nice and covered. So let's try to get my first coat on here and see how it goes. Go. Pretty. Alright, let's try the next one. I'm thinking people might think it's strange that I picked out these fancy knobs for this, but I've been watching a lot of Downton Abbey lately, I guess, and I just love the fancy stuff. I'm actually going to try to fancy up my house a little bit. This is the end result of my coffee bar. I decorated the top of this with some of my things here. I just love the way that it came out. It's really handy. This little shelf here folds down. There's a little thing under there. You could fold that down, or you could put it up. And this is my family room downstairs. I'm going to make a reveal of this room another day, but I really love the way that it came out. I think it's going to be very handy and useful down here, so that we have another place to make coffee when people come over, and just to store some things in. In here I just put these stencils my husband got me. I don't know how I'm going to do the stencils because I have trouble with stuff like that takes patience, but this is the reveal. I hope you like it. And never give up. When you find a project to do, just go for it. I'm sure it will work out. This little towel says, stay humble. It's one of my favorite sayings. So if you find a piece of old furniture, use your creativity and just think of what you could do with it, and it's really going to turn out nice in the end, I think. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you do. Tell me what you like about it or what I could have improved. And I will see you next time.